Egyptian architect and artist based in Dubai. My work is heavily inspired by Egypt, where I was born, and the UAE, where I was raised. And I have this deep connection to ephemeral spaces and how the body interacts within that. And so a lot of my work tries to kind of freeze some of the moments where we experience those spaces. So I was drawn to the Diriyah region, and specifically Salwa palaces, like architectural wonders, and how the mashrabiyas and the doors are intricately decorated, and the complex patterns that are present on the doors. The color palette tends to pick up from the designs of the doors, as well as keeping up with the vibrant brand of the store itself. I wanted to try something different for this collection. So what ended up happening was I extracted some of the patterns that are present in the neighborhood, and by deconstructing them with the use of color, something unexpected started to emerge, different shapes and new forms. And what ended up happening is basically I gave some of these patterns a new life and a new way to look at them. I think it's a great platform to kind of showcase the different talent in the region and also open up the floor for artists and designers to come together and showcase their work for a wider audience. And I think it's a privilege to be a part of that.